What if you could feel younger, stronger, and healthier at 89? Meet Dr. Emeka Okafor, a cardiologist who feels 50, even at 89. Today, we uncover his secret to longevity and incredible health. We often think aging automatically means loss of energy, joint pain, or health complications, but Dr. Okafor challenges this belief. Here, discuss the common misconceptions around aging. Many believe that deteriorating health is inevitable as we grow older, but what if lifestyle choices could rewrite that narrative? Use this segment to introduce the concept of maintaining vitality through clean blood vessels. Dr. Okafor retired at 60, but after 29 years, he feels more alive than ever. What's his secret? Clean blood vessels. Elaborate on Dr. Okafor's life. Describe his retirement, passion for health, and how he discovered that the real key to health lies in the blood vessels. His story becomes a source of inspiration for viewers. The importance of clean blood vessels, why it matters. The human body is like a machine, and blood vessels are its lifeline. The cleaner the vessels, the better your body functions. Dive deep into why blood circulation is vital. Oxygen delivery. Explain how clean vessels ensure efficient delivery of oxygen and nutrients to all organs. Carbon dioxide and waste removal. Describe the role vessels play in removing waste products and toxins from the body. Elasticity and youth. In our youth, vessels are elastic and clean, allowing smooth blood flow. With age, this starts to change. In this segment, use analogies, such as comparing blood vessels to water pipes. Clear pipes mean smooth water flow, but rusty pipes create clogs and pressure, just like blood vessels. The dangers of dirty blood vessels. Let's talk about what happens when blood vessels get clogged and why it's a silent enemy to our health. Explain how plaque buildup from cholesterol and other toxins can block blood flow, leading to serious health conditions, hypertension, high blood pressure. The narrowing of vessels raises pressure, stressing the heart. Atherosclerosis. Clogged arteries lose their function, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Heart disease and stroke. Show statistics on how cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death globally and ties it to unclean blood vessels. Varicose veins and thrombosis. Discuss how poor circulation can lead to these painful conditions, affecting both appearance and overall health. Showing viewers what happens if they neglect their vascular health. Dr. Okafor's longevity secret. Cleaning your blood vessels. Dr. Okafor says that keeping your blood vessels clean is the key to living over 120 years. So how can you do it? This is where you reveal the big secret. Emphasize that by keeping blood vessels clean, you can increase lifespan. Live up to 120 years with less risk of chronic diseases. Maintain vitality. Keep your energy levels up, reduce joint pain, and stay active. Stay young. Clean blood vessels slow down the aging process inside your body. Highlight Dr. Okafor's belief that longevity is achievable with the right approach. Practical tips to clean your blood vessels. Now that we know clean blood vessels are key, let's talk about practical steps to achieve this. Dietary changes. Incorporate foods that reduce cholesterol and prevent plaque buildup. Include garlic, green tea, omega-3 rich fish, and fiber. Exercise. Regular cardiovascular exercise improves circulation and helps maintain vessel health. Quit smoking and reduce alcohol. These habits directly damage blood vessels, so reducing them can make a big difference. Stay hydrated. Water helps maintain the elasticity of blood vessels, ensuring smooth blood flow. Real-life results. Patients who outlive their peers. Dr. Okafor's method isn't just theory. It's been tested and proven. Your health is in your hands. Living a long, healthy life is within your control. It starts with your blood vessels, and you can take charge today. Wrap up the key message that clean blood vessels are essential to longevity and excellent health. If you want to keep feeling young as you grow older, hit the subscribe button and join our community for more life-changing tips. Share your thoughts in the comments. What steps are you taking for your health?